Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys what I did to take off the heater core hoses. The heater core hoses are located in between here. They're connected to this pipe and they go to the firewall back here. There's one way to do it is to remove this intake pipe, remove the EGR pipe, and you can jack up the car and remove the top of this intake. You jack up the car, you take off the 4 bolts holding this top intake on, and disconnect, the connectors, disconnect the throttle cable, disconnect the vacuum lines here, this connector, and the 2 throttle connectors, and you'll have enough room to access these hoses and take them off. That's not the way I did it. Fortunately, I work at Honda, so I was able to use a lift, and I got the hoses from the bottom. But for those who don't have access to a lift, I recommend to do it the other way. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so what you want to do is loosen up that bolt right there. Let's see if I can show you. Loosen that bolt up right there, and then there's one right here that you also have to loosen up. Right here. And then you can take these 2 hoses out. Alright guys, so that bottom clip right there, you're gonna get some pliers and squeeze it and take that hose off. That bottom hose is actually the one that's leaking right here. This hose right here is leaking, and that will be the bottom. That one's gonna be the bottom. Right there. Alright guys, you could get to the hose from the bottom of the car, and then you could try to pull it off, because you can't pull it off from the top unless you take the top of the intake off, and you don't want to do all that. Alright guys, I got that hose off. It was a bitch to get off. I recommend taking off the top of the intake, and you could do everything from up top after you go from the bottom and take off the intake. But alright guys, I finally got the hose disconnected from the firewall and from right here. That's where the coolant was leaking from. think I'll be able to use this hose. I'm not sure if this is the right hose, but this is the hose that AutoZone gave me. So might be able. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah. Alright guys, I was able to get the other clip off. I got some pliers and I just stuck the pliers up, grabbed onto the clamp like so, squeezed, and I got him. Got him. Alright guys, I got the top hose off finally. Come on. Alright, so there was nothing wrong with this hose, but I still wanted to change it out just in case if that one started to pop. So, I mean, as you can see here, I think it goes like this actually, yeah. Same hose. That's the part number. This is for a 420A engine, not the 4G63. Alright guys, I got both hoses connected. I put the top one on first and then I put the bottom one on. Alright guys, it's the next day. I fixed the hoses. The hoses are they're not leaking. I'm not overheating anymore, as you can see. My AC is working again. So yeah, that's how you that's how I replaced the heater core hoses on my 420A Eclipse. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.